Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this brand new episode, let me explain to you the exponential moving average crossover. Exponential moving average crossover is a very simple strategy any average investor or a trader can apply. This strategy uses exponential moving averages that give more importance to recent price data. When a shorter term EMA crosses above a longer term EMA, it generates a buy signal. When it crosses below, it generates a sell signal. So here what you need to concentrate is a shorter time EMA. Probably we are taking a 9-day EMA, and we are also using a longer term EMA, that is around 26 days. So both together we combine and a cross is generated. If the shorter term EMA crosses the longer term EMA from below, it generates a buy signal, and it crosses from above, it generates a sell signal. In our trading terminology, it's very clear that the shorter term trend is becoming stronger, then go for a buy. If the shorter term trend is cutting from above, it is becoming weaker, so you sell. So now let us come to the chart and let me practically explain to you the EMA crossover. So we have a Nifty 50 chart on the screen. So you can see here there are many such crosses. So here there is one clear EMA cross here. So here this is the 9-day EMA and this is the 26-day EMA. So you can see here EMA cross. So at this point we have EMA cross. So it's a clear buy because here the shorter term EMA is crossing the longer term EMA, and if you are buying somewhere at this level, so you can see the level. So if you are buying at 21,357, so you would have at least got more than 300 points in that particular strategy, and you could have made a good trade. Not all the time these trades are good. In some points of time they can generate even fake crosses. You can see here this cross, okay, there is some up move. So if I clear all, so you can see here, so there is some fake up move and haven't moved much. Even here you can see, yeah, there was a shorter term EMA cutting the longer term EMA from up. So this was a clear sell signal, and here there is a clear buy signal. So using this strategy, when the things are very clear, you can buy and sell and adopt this strategy. If I go for back testing, for example, I'll go for back testing. I'll come back. Yeah, if I come back, you see here there are so many EMA crosses. Maybe this is little difficult to trade because it is gap down in the morning on 17th of January. But if you go still further back, you can see here. Yeah, see this cross. This cross is a very clear buy, and you can ride till here. So there is a chance. So EMA crossover is a very simple strategy for an average trader who can apply with ease. And let me show you the same strategy even for Nifty Bank. So let me put the Nifty Bank on the screen. Yeah, so I am putting the Nifty Bank. You can see the crossovers. So even this EMA cross, one EMA which is in pink color, pink color, which is indicating, this one is indicating 9-day, and this is indicating whatever is in green color, 26th day. So you can see one crossover here. There is a up move. There is no crossover here, but did not give a signal, but there is a up move. Yeah, you can also go for back testing. So if I go for back testing, you can see here clear sell signal, but that is on gap down. Yeah, on 17th gap down. So this clear signal on gap down, very difficult to trade. So it's a sell signal. Here also there is a sell signal. Yeah, and if you come back, this is very difficult to trade. You can see this is pretty difficult to trade, not showing much. It's almost touching. There is no level, no crossover. Here there is crossovers, but not very clear, no trade. Now if you come back still, yeah, this is clear buy. So if you wait and watch, you will get a lot of buy signals. So this is a buy signal. You should try to identify the fake signals. If very short interval like this, if crosses are appearing, they are all fake signals. And see, here there is a signal, yeah, sell signal, yeah, which anybody could have made use. So this EMA cross is typically a very easy strategy. Any average or ordinary trader can apply. So I request you to apply this strategy. Yeah, maybe you can apply on a 5-minute chart. You can also apply on a 15-minute chart. You can apply on a 30-minute chart. Usually this strategy is used for very short interval of time. This is a channel for education purpose only. This is not a SEBI registered channel. So therefore, any person who is taking the trades in the market can seek the help of a SEBI certified professional. So thank you for watching this episode. I hope you would have learned EMA crossover strategy, and it is very helpful even for a very ordinary and a beginner trader. So thank you for watching this episode.